Today I'll be reviewing for you guys the Oclean Oral Irrigator. Here we are looking at the box. Don't really have a lot on the outside. Here you can find some manufacturer information, model number and whatnot. So let's go ahead and open up this box and then see what we have inside. This does have a soft close box. So opening the box, you get this welcome package that has some information on the back. So you have different nozzles, mode switch button, power button, mode indicator light, etc. Here we have what looks like a user manual. And then over here we have our nozzle. So here's one of them. And the other nozzle we have is this one right here. So you get two different nozzles. And then we have the USB charger for the irrigator. And then here we have the case the irrigator comes into, and that's all we have in the box. So let's go ahead and open this up. So here's our oral irrigator. It has this nice pattern on it, as you guys can see. Build quality is solid, feels nice. It has like a satin gloss finish. Feels premium. Here we have the power button and the mode changing button. We have the different modes over here. And then this is where your charging port goes. And here on the bottom you have the tank. So you just put water through here, fill this up, and then this is the little hose that pulls in the water and shoots out of the nozzle. So it's easy to remove and easy to put back on. So let's go ahead and go over some of the features. So just going over some of the specifications. This is the Oclean W1 Smart Oral Irrigator. So the model is Oclean W1. And then the water tank capacity I showed you at the bottom has the capacity of 30 ml. And then the waterproof level is IPX5. The input power is 2.5 watts. And then we have the magnetic charging. Then we also have battery life of 30 days once it's fully charged, which I think is amazing. And we have the battery capacity that is 1200 milliamp per hour. And then the charging time is 3 hours long. So when you first get this started with the water in the tank, don't be surprised if you feel some air, because it will be air first that is already in there. Then you will have mixture of air and water. And then after that, it will just sink properly. You don't want to soak this entire body inside of water. Make sure once you're done, you wipe it off and clean it off properly. And it's also normal that while you're doing your cleaning, this can get a little bit warm. So there's nothing to be worried about. So let's go ahead and power this on. Just press and hold the power button. And you can hear. And then we have our mode button here, so you can switch between modes. So once you change your mode, press the power button. So you want to press and hold it to clean. So once you let go, it will stop. Change the mode again. And then you can press once, and this will continue to do it. Press again, it will shut off. Press one more time, it will go to the last one. So these are just the frequency, like how fast you're shooting the water out. once you have the nozzle in here, you just want to make sure that you put the nozzle in between your teeth and then clean properly. So this should just sit, the nozzle should just sit in between your teeth. You don't have to really stay in one spot for too long. So this is one of the nozzles that I took out. So installation wise, all you do is just put it in. You're not gonna hear any click or anything, and it stays in one position. It should go in all the way like this. When you want to detach the nozzle, just go ahead and give it a little twist and pull it out, and it comes out easily. So once you're done cleaning, you want to make sure that you rinse everything off or clean everything off with warm water. And then also, you don't want to leave any water inside the water tank. So whatever water you have left over, you want to go ahead and drain that out. So all of us had times when we went to our dentist and our dentist says that, okay, you need to floss regularly, right? And I do floss, but you know, sometimes it can get very uncomfortable. So I am really excited to go ahead and try out this irrigator, because this will actually be easier to floss, because you don't have to, you know, open your mouth real wide and then, you know, try to fit in your floss in between your teeth and whatnot. And then, you know, you're not gonna have a bunch of blood come out sometimes. I know, gross, but this thing is actually going to be super easy to use, and I am going to really enjoy this, because I feel like rather than using a floss thing when I'm, you know, cleaning my teeth with this irrigator, I think the process will be a lot cleaner, and then it will be a lot faster. And I feel like with flossing, you can't really get every single food particle out of your teeth. So this one, since it has like a pressurized water shooting out of the nozzle, I feel like it will get everything out from in between your teeth. So I am excited to use this oral irrigator. So I want to go ahead and get some water in here in this tank and start doing some cleaning. And I will let you guys know what I think and how this irrigator works. So I'm going to now go ahead and remove the water tank and go ahead and fill this up with water. So I filled it up all the way. All I need to do is just go ahead and put this back in here. And let's go ahead and test it out. Let's see if the water is shooting out. Looks like it is. So change our mode here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how this works. So I'll have this turned on, select my mode, put this in between my teeth. So guys, I just cleaned up my teeth with this irrigator, and you know, just a quick review here. And wiping this down with a dry cloth is far better than using any floss. The first time you're using it, your gum or your teeth might feel a little bit weird because you're shooting water, but I feel like, you know, over a floss, I would pick this any day, this water irrigator, and use it on a daily basis. My teeth feel super clean, and I like the fact that the water tank is big enough to where if you just fill it up one time, you can go all the way around your mouth and, you know, get your irrigation done or your flossing done. So I would, you know, definitely suggest that you guys give this a try. Premium product, really nice pattern, and it can get the job done. I love the, you know, battery life and everything that this can do, the 3 different modes. So I hope you guys enjoyed my review for this Oclean water irrigator. Go ahead and give it a try and let me know what you guys think. Hope you guys like this review. See you guys next time.